Want to increase your token's volume, attract investors, and get trending on Pump.fun? In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot step by step. Whether you're launching a new token or boosting an existing one, this guide will help you maximize visibility and trading activity. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about why you need this bot. 1. Boosts trading volume. Higher volume attracts real traders and investors. 2. Creates multiple wallets. Simulates organic growth and increases the holder count. 3. Places buy and sell orders automatically. Keeps your token looking active and liquid. 4. Randomized trade sizes and delays. Prevents robotic patterns, making activity look organic. 5. Helps your token get trending on Pump.fun. More visibility equals more buyers and long-term investors. Pro tip: this bot is perfect for projects that want to stand out and grow fast. To get started, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot. Go to the official website and log in. Step 2. Connect your wallet. Use Phantom, Solflare, or another Solana-compatible wallet. Step 3. Choose your token. Select the token you want to boost. Step 4. Set trading parameters. Configure 1. Trade frequency. How often trades are executed. 2. Order size range. Minimum and maximum trade sizes. 3. Randomized delays to ensure natural-looking trading activity. Step 5. Adjust wallet distribution. Decide how many wallets the bot should create and distribute funds to. Pro tip: customizing these settings will help your token's activity look authentic and attract more organic traders. Once your settings are in place, it's time to activate the bot. 1. Click Start. The bot will begin placing trades based on your configurations. 2. Monitor trading activity. Track live buy and sell orders in real time. 3. Optimize based on results. Adjust settings as needed to maintain steady volume and visibility. Pro tip: as your token gains volume, it moves higher on Pump.fun's rankings, attracting more investors and FOMO buyers. To keep your token growing, regularly check the bot's performance. Track volume and holder growth. Ensure your token looks healthy and active. Adjust order sizes and delays. Test different settings for optimal organic growth. Monitor gas fees. Solana fees are low, but keeping track ensures efficiency. Increase activity to get trending on Pump.fun. If you're close to trending, slightly increasing volume can push your token to the top. Success is about consistency and visibility. Keep optimizing to stay ahead. Before you launch, ask yourself, is my token getting enough volume to attract real investors? How can I ensure consistent market activity without looking artificial? Am I optimizing the bot to get my token trending on Pump.fun? What strategies can I use to turn early momentum into long-term success? The Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot is the ultimate tool to boost trading volume instantly, increase your holder count and credibility, get trending on Pump.fun, attract real investors and long-term buyers. Ready to make your token the next big hit? Try the Volume Booster today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DeFi trading strategies. Before you go, check out our related videos, linked on the screen now. See you in the next video.